This video is going to show you the steps of clearing the watch history on YouTube Mobile, so make sure you stick around. YouTube uses your watch history to decide what videos to show you next. So if you've watched a few random things, your feed can quickly get cluttered with content you're not actually interested in. This can also be helpful if you share your device with others and don't want your viewing habits visible. So let's start by opening the YouTube app on our device, and then make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. I'm then going to open the You section by tapping on my profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here is the History section. So let's then click on View All, and you'll see this page with all of the videos which we had watched. Just tap on the three dots at the top right, and then you'll get an option to clear all the watch history, and this step will delete all of the videos from your list. Or if you want to pause the watch history for a couple of days, just tap on the first option, and then you can continue watching YouTube, but the videos won't be added to your history list. So this is how we can delete or pause our YouTube watch history, everyone. If this video helped you out, then leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.